Good day, children! Today, you will learn how to read a consonant, vowel, and consonant words. These are called the CVC words. Are you ready? Let's start! Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Bag. Bat. Bed. Read it again, children. Very good. Car. K-A-R. Car. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. Can. K-A-N. Can. Car. Cat. Can. Read it again, children. Very good. Dam. D-A-M. Dam. Dig. D-E-G. Dig. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dam. Dig. Dog. Read it again, children. Very good. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Fin. F-E-N. Fin. Fun. F-A-N. Fun. Fan. Fin. Fun. Read it again, children. Very good. Gas. G-A-S. Gas. Gum. G-A-M. Gum. Gun. G-A-N. Gun. Gas. Gum. Gun. Read it again, children. Very good. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hug. H-A-G. Hug. Hat. Hen. Hug. Read it again, children. Very good. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Jar. J-A-R. Jar. Jet. J-E-T. Jet. Jam. Jar. Jet. Read it again, children. Very good. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. Kid. K-E-D. Kid. Kit. K-E-T. Kit. Keg. Kid. Kit. Read it again, children. Very good. Lap. L-A-P. Lap. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. Lap. Leg. Lip. Read it again, children. Very good. Mad. M-A-D. Mad. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Mad. Mat. Mug. Read it again, children. Very good. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. Net. N-E-T. Net. Nut. N-O-T. Nut. Nap. Net. Nut. Read it again, children. Very good. Pad. P-A-D. Pad. Pet. P-A-T. Pet. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Pad. Pet. Pin. Read it again, children. Very good. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Red. R-A-D. red. Rug. R-A-G. Rug. Rat. Red. Rug. Read it again, children. Very good. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Sit. S-E-T. Sit. Sun. S-A-N. Sun. Sad. Sit. Sun. Read it again, children. Very good. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. Tip. T-E-P. Tip. Tag. Tap. Tip. Read it again, children. Very good. Wax. W-A-X. Wax. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Win. W-I-N. Win. Wax. Wet. Win. Read it again, children. Very good. Yes. 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 Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Yes. Zip. Read it again, children. Very good. That's the end of our lesson for today. Children, now that you've learned from our today's video, don't forget to like, share, and click the subscribe button. See you in the next videos.